But there was no walkover, and the loss and suffering on this day and in the months to come has made the Somme a symbol for senseless slaughter. At its somber close months later, the casualty count, those killed, wounded and missing, would far exceed 1 million. So what exactly happened here, and why? My name is Peter Barton. For over 3 decades as a writer, broadcaster and battlefield archaeologist, I've come to know the Somme intimately. But during those years I've grown ever more uneasy about the battle's history because the overwhelming majority of accounts have been written from an almost exclusively British perspective. The German experience, their strategy, habits, tactics and character, all this has been practically ignored. For 100 years, we've told ourselves a self-serving story. So to commemorate the centenary of the battle, this series will look at history from both sides of the wire, giving the Germans an equal voice through the medium of their own remarkable archives. Here lie mountains of maps, diaries, reports, plans, records of interrogations, and captured documents. These archives provide fresh evidence for why the campaign lasted so long, and why there was carnage on such a scale. And these unique and compelling sources will lead me to what may be for some uncomfortable conclusions. Most importantly, there was no British or French victory on the Somme. Rather, the Germans fought a defensive campaign of such resolve and flexibility that the Allies could find no effective response. And that campaign was founded upon a tactical revolution that would prolong the war itself beyond all expectations. But the Germans were greatly assisted by British recklessness and foolhardiness. And what went so disastrously wrong did so from the very start. The week leading up to the first day of fighting saw the longest and heaviest bombardment in military history. By the